everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our latest interface video for Ford vehicles that they're equipped with Sync 3. So basically it gives you the option to do Android on existing screen. So there is few friendly reminders. One is it retains all the factory features, so nothing will be changed. AM, FM, satellite radio, CD player, or let's say navigation, everything stays same as before. Nothing will be changed. You can use them the way that you used to use them. On top of that, you get the Android system. And again, a lot of customers, they're asking us, what about if I have iPhone? It doesn't matter. Whatever phone you're using, you still can use it without any problem. It's just a matter of sharing the data from your phone to the same screen to be able to do the Android apps and so on. So it doesn't matter what type of phone you're using. So the way that it works, basically you can see our unit is activated by USB. So when you see the USB logo at the bottom, it says Android. So by clicking on that, it goes to your media system, and then by clicking on this logo, it goes to Android mode. We try to keep everything clean and nice and merge it to the Sync 3 logos and background. As you can see, the background is blue, same as factory, so nothing is changed. Everything looks like factory look. On top, you can see I'm doing a hotspot from my phone, which is an iPhone, but the unit is Android obviously, but I still can use my phone and share the data without any problem. At the bottom, we can install any other offline map. With the two USBs that it comes with our unit, you can do music and video. So basically they're kind of DVD in motion, so whatever you play from those USBs, even while you're driving, you still can watch. You can add DVR. Apps are here, as you can see. You can go to Play Store and download any apps you like. Again, a friendly reminder, don't download too many apps and fill up your heart with useless apps. Try to keep it clean. This is a car infotainment. Try to use, let's say, Google Maps, YouTube is there, Waze is there. Just those apps, they're handy. You can download Gmail, you can check your emails and so on. So just keep it as clean as possible. And the other reason that we are adding Android to this system is like the freedom. Like basically you can use Google Maps and Waze without touching your phone and get any tickets or so on. So you can type in any address. It gives you the traffic information. Waze give you a lot of information that you're not going to get those on factory navigation. And factory navigation, after a while, they need updates, and they cost a fortune. Like they're $300 to $400 to update these maps. So you don't really need to pay those to update those maps. And still, you're gonna miss a lot of addresses, even if it's a brand new car like this car, 2018. Anyways, by clicking on these apps, let's say I'm clicking on Google Maps right now. It's playing, it's starting up the Google Maps. That's where we are located, in 160 Conrad Crescent, and I still can use like a touch screen to be able to punch in address. When I want to punch in any address, the keyboard pops out, so I can type in any address that I want, and I can set home, work, same stuff as Google Maps. And also we can run Waze. I'm going to show you how the Waze works. So just going to the app, again, it's simple, just clicking on Waze, it goes to Waze app. And by clicking on home button, it goes back to the same screen again. So you can do offline maps, you can play music from those two USBs that it comes with our unit, you can play video So right now I click on video, I can play video from my USB, I can go to YouTube, or I can do digital TV. That we don't have TV in Canada, unfortunately, but down in States or in Europe you can use it. So by clicking on video, it goes to my USB.
All right, let's get to work.
Hey, Roman, you freaking out?
No.
Yes, you are.
Can somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?
Justin, you didn't think you could get any better, huh?
Here we go. Hell yeah.
So even if I go to drive, I still can watch. But anyways, always safety first. This is just a feature that you're gonna have it. Then again, we can go back to the main menu, and we can add DVR to the same screen, so it can record whatever happens in front of your car. And again, I can go to apps, I can go to YouTube. So I can use any apps, and right now I'm sharing the data from my phone, which is an iPhone. So these are the features, and also the other cool part about this Android interface, you can add 3 more cameras to the car. If the car comes with reverse camera, which usually they do, or if you don't have the backup camera, you can add backup camera. It gives you the opportunity to add front camera, right camera, and left camera. The way that it works, when you go to drive, as you can see, it's switched to front. I'm using the right turn signal right, it shows right, that it goes to the right camera, and left, right now I'm using left signal right, it shows left. So if I add 3 more cameras, I can have them on the same screen, which is really nice safety feature. And also, if you have a trailer or if you tow something, it would be really helpful. So those are the other options that you can add to the same unit. Play Store is there, so you can go to Play Store and download the apps that you like by adding your Gmail account. The other thing is, if your Sync 3 doesn't come with the Apple CarPlay function or Android Auto, you can add our USB dongle and add Apple CarPlay to the same screen. Also, it does the, as you can see here, it with the easy connection, you can do mirror link from your phone to the same screen too, but again, depends on your phone. Google Pixel doesn't let you to do mirror link, and they might need some updates on the other phones too. But anyways, that's a feature which is there. You can use Google Voice. Also, you can use it's using the factory microphone in the car, which is a cool part. That's the Google that you can browse wherever you want or wherever you want to go. I'm gonna show you 160 Conrad Crescent, Markham, Ontario. So as you can see, you can use Google Voice to be able to do the voice command, and it's using the factory microphone, which is a really good and cool features, so you're not using any aftermarket microphone that it causes a lot of problems. Again, if you have any questions, you can give me a call, or you can go to our website 4x4shop.ca, buy this unit and add it to your Ford vehicle, or you can buy it online, and we do have the instruction to how to remove the panel and how to add this interface. I'm gonna upload them soon. It's really easy, it's all plug and play, and I hope you enjoy this unit. And just don't forget, subscribe on our YouTube channel